Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Money is a topic that fascinates us all. It's a means to achieve our dreams, secure our future, and live a life that's on our terms. But have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly amass wealth while other people struggle to make ends meet? Is there a secret to financial success that only they know? Something that we don't know, something that they're hiding from us? Well, if you're anything like me and you've always been asking yourself these kind of questions, today I'm going to show you how you too can start to earn crazy money no matter what you do, no matter where you're starting from, and no matter where you are. So let's get into it. Now I'll start by telling you this. I've always considered myself to be very entrepreneurial. I've tried my hand at so many different ways of making money. Well, to start with, while at university, my friends and I started a restaurant. I would consider it largely successful because it was even hosted in the university blog and was tipped to be the next McDonald's. And whilst doing that, we also started designing websites, mobile apps, and CRM systems for individuals and companies. Now that venture was also largely successful because we went on to do very many successful projects for people and companies. I even tried my hand at farming as well, where I had a number of top tier restaurants as my clients, and I'd bring them the fresh produce they needed to prepare their meals and deliver food to their customers. And that's just a small list of things that I've tried on the entrepreneurial side. I've also tried my hand at a number of odd jobs and side hustles during my time, things like Uber Eats delivery. Oh, and that's not to mention my actual main job, which is being an accountant. Now, why am I telling you this? You see, the common theme with most of these things that I've just mentioned is that they all failed. I gave up on them at a certain point in time. And I'll tell you why many of these did not amount to a massive success for me. So the reasons why none of these were a success is because I had a completely wrong attitude and mindset towards money. You see, my focus with most of these was to make money. And that was my goal. That was my sole mission. I just wanted to make money. And what I've gone on to learn now is that success is not about making money. Money is simply a product of being successful. And that's the whole change in mindset. It starts with achieving something meaningful and impactful. So what I've learned now and what I'm trying to encourage you to understand is don't let money be your primary focus. Instead, focus on being of service first. Because when you provide genuine value to people, money will automatically flow your way. It's like a natural law. It just can't fail. It's about giving first before you start receiving. And that's a complete change in mindset. Because you see, before I was focused on receiving first rather than giving. So simply put, what I've learned now is that the only way to achieve massive success is through providing a product or a service that genuinely adds value to people's lives. And that has allowed me to change my mindset. Now I don't focus on money at all. I ask myself first, how can I provide value to people's lives? And I found that through that change in mindset, money naturally flows. You see, if you genuinely focus on helping others, money will abundantly flow your way. I can guarantee you that. And this is a universal law. No two ways about it. So always remember that your success will always be measured by the quality and quantity of the service that you provide to others. The money is simply a reflection of the value you bring to this world. Money simply becomes the yardstick by which you measure the service you provide. So basically, if you want to make more money, all you have to do is be of more service to others. So provide more value to others. That's how you make more money. And that applies to every sphere in life, whether it is career, business, personal life. If you want more money, provide more service. That is it. And that's the new mindset I've adopted. Just simply look at all the richest people in the world. All the people who you know personally within your life who are rich. I can guarantee that for those who are making their money in a genuine way, all these people are providing some sort of value. Now some of you may be sat there thinking, what the hell is this guy talking about? So let's drive it home. Let me take you back in time. Think back to a time before Amazon. Remember when finding a specific product meant physically visiting multiple stores? And for those who were very unlucky and wanted several different products, say you wanted 3 different products, you had to visit so many different stores. One can be the other side of town or the other side of town. So you literally have to drive here, go there, go this side, and there were no guarantees that you're actually going to get this product. You had no guarantees about the quality, not to mention all the hassle you have to go through to visit all these multiple stores. So Jeff Bezos, the Amazon founder, saw the need to create a one-stop shopping center, an online marketplace where customers could find almost anything. So nowadays, it's really easy to find a product on Amazon. So nowadays, all you have to do is literally just go on your phone and PC, search for the product that you want. You have a whole list of different suppliers you can get that product from. You have access to all the reviews. You're able to see different customers and what their experience has been with that product. You have pictures of the product. You have videos of the product, clear instructions of how it works. There are even some products which have 3D models where you can put it near in your home and see how that will fit. Not to mention the fact that you literally don't have to leave your home. Once you find the product that you want, it will be delivered straight to your doorstep, so you don't have to leave the comfort of your couch. So Jeff Bezos' focus was to enrich the shopping experience of all these customers. And that's what they focused on at Amazon. And you can see that made him one of the richest people in the world. He provided that value and changed the shopping experience for everyone. For my people in Africa, think back to a time before mobile money services. Many people lacked access to formal banking services. Banking services was basically reserved for the people in urban areas. It was very inconvenient, very expensive with the transaction fees. There were long waiting times, and basically people in rural areas were unbanked. So if you wanted to send money to someone who is in a rural area, there would be so many different unreliable ways of doing that. But with the invention of mobile money services like mobile money, M-Pesa, this changed the game for everyone. And people in less fortunate areas could become banked and could have access to financial services in a very convenient way through their phones. And don't even need to have a smartphone to be able to use mobile money. All you need is any sort of phone. So these services bridged a crucial gap in financial inclusion. And that's the value they created. So now millions of people are able to transact and send money seamlessly to their loved ones and friends at reasonable costs, minimum waiting times. You do it through your phone or some agent, and they're very accessible. And the companies that made these platforms are now wealthy. Fun fact. Facebook, the company that revolutionized the way we communicate and interact globally, only got monetized in 2007, 3 whole years after it was founded. So in these 3 years, what Facebook focused on was improving their platform, improving their service delivery to their customers, listening to all that feedback and trying to see how best they can provide value to their customers, and eventually found a way to monetize that value they created. And now Mark Zuckerberg is one of the richest people in the world. So here's the lesson from all these examples I've just given. No one can get rich without first enriching others. It's just a universal law. You must focus on giving first before you receive. And if you do that, you will also achieve success and abundance in your life. The money flows naturally, trust me. And by the way, liking, sharing, and subscribing can be your way of adding value to this channel. So to reach success and prosperity, you need to dream big, work hard, build, and create. There is no limit to the abundance and prosperity you can create if you put in the effort. But first, let go of all the money worries for a moment. Don't be like I was before. Focus on being of service first, and see how money and abundance will flow your way. Focus on giving, and you will receive. Now I'm on my own journey to provide value. My mission is to help as many people as possible become financially free. And I'm doing that through making YouTube videos on personal development, finance, changing your mindset, videos like this one. And that's my way of adding value to your lives. So at some point, I know the money will come, but that's my main focus now. And that's why I'm doing these videos. So if there's any other way that you think I can provide value in your life, please put it down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to create a video on that. Now find ways of how you can provide value in people's lives. Now you don't have to create something brand new or find a gap in the market in order to provide value. You can start small and do anything that you can. It can be anything from sharing your skills, sharing your knowledge, or sharing your passion with others. And watch how it will translate into wealth in your life. There are platforms like Skillshare, like Udemy, where you can go and share your skills and knowledge with people in any subject that you're passionate about. It could be that you have professional skills that you're really good at. There are platforms like Fiverr where you can go and be a freelancer. Maybe you're good at singing. You can use that talent of yours to provide value in people's lives. Sing songs on topics you're passionate about. Maybe it's love, maybe it is Christianity, maybe it's religion, maybe it's whatever it is. There's so many different ways we all can provide value to others. And speaking of providing value, if you find yourself getting value out of the videos that I share, you can sign up to my completely free weekly newsletter, link in the description, where I'll be sending you weekly tips on personal development, finance, and mindset that will provide you with the value that you need to take your life to the next level. So if you feel like that's something that you find valuable, please go down to the description and sign up for free. And remember, you can unsubscribe anytime. Maybe you're someone who has a business. You can always find ways of providing more value to your customers. It could be through convenience. Maybe you start delivering to your customers. Maybe it's flexibility. You provide them with more payment options. It could be that you've only been taking cash. Now you can provide them a card option or mobile money option, or maybe provide them with credit terms, or it could just be a better customer experience. I've gone to some supermarkets and restaurants where the customer experience alone just keeps you coming back, and that's the value you get from there. From the moment you enter the door, there's someone there to greet you, to welcome you. It could also be in the workplace. Ask yourself, how can you provide value to these employers of yours? Maybe it could be learning another skill or doing more professional exams and getting more skills. Just ask yourself how you can be of value in any sphere of your lives. Even in relationships as well, you can provide more value in relationships. Ask yourself, what would your partner want? If you were in their shoes, how would you want to be treated? If you were in their shoes, how would you want them to provide value to you? We all can provide value in any sort of way in our lives. And once you start to provide value to others, just watch and see how abundance and success and money start flowing your way. Just like a friend of mine called Baguma Ivan, who I studied with at high school and university. He studied nutrition while at university. And I've never seen a guy who is more passionate about nutrition like this guy. Whilst in uni and straight out of uni, he has always been passionate about nutrition. So much so that he has gone on to become the general manager of Nella Organics, which is a company that specializes in providing health solutions through natural remedies. So he was able to leverage his professional skills and passion for nutrition. And through that, he has contributed massively to the growth of this company. So you too can go out there and find ways you can provide and add value to people. Just leverage your skills, share your knowledge, and your passion with the world. Just remember to be patient and persistent, because it's a process. And remember, the only way to make massive amounts of money is by providing value to others. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.